Alright, so today's video is going to be a little bit random. It's going to be pretty much just a little mini update vlog on what's been happening and what's going on, as well as I'm going to show you guys, because we sell our shirts online, not a lot of people get to see what the shirts feel like and how they fit and everything. So what I plan on doing is just giving you guys a little overview of the shirts and the fabric and as well as the fit. So we just got back from the gym. I am just mixing up some granola, some Vector protein granola, as well as Source Greek yogurt, I believe. And we're gonna chow down on that, and then we'll get into the video. Kaylee's fixed everything. Sticky pad came off. Hot glue. Hot glue everything. Think it'll work? We could just put another sticky pad on. It's not very expensive.
You know what?
Alright, cleaned up, showered up, we've eaten, and now it is time to hit this disturbing room and get it all cleaned up. How long do you think it'll take?
Half an hour to an hour.
Yeah, probably. The main goal is to get it completely cleaned out. I want to be able to put a desk in here. I'll have my laptop set up, as well as where I can like draw and take notes and stuff, just for design purposes, as well as Kaylee needs a new craft station because she can't keep using the dining room table and she leaves her stuff on there, then we can't eat, and then we're eating on the couch and blah blah blah. So that's where we're gonna start right now. So this is where we're at right now. A lot of it's just finding places for everything. So we got a bunch of binders, notebooks, Kaylee's books and stuff, as well as just the rest of the shirts and garbage. We got this little plant to camouflage our shipping boxes and product bags. And yeah, I guess that's it for the den. Hopefully we can find a decent desk soon so we can get that in there ASAP, and then I'll have a better place to work instead of us being out here all the time. Alright guys, welcome back to day 2 of the vlog. I know yesterday I was telling you guys after the den I was going to show you guys the shirts, and I'm still going to do that. I just need to eat some breakfast first. I got caught up in doing some other things yesterday, so I'm going to continue on the video today and show you guys what I'm going to have for breakfast, and then we'll move on to the shirts. I got them set up in the den. We'll go in there and I'll just throw them on for you guys and show you what they're like. So typically, if I plan on going to the gym within the next like hour of eating breakfast, I would be making probably some oatmeal with some protein powder and nuts and maybe a piece of fruit just to go with that. But I have to wait for Kaylee to go to the gym, so I'm just going to be eating some turkey burgers that we made, as well as a couple of fried eggs on top with some cheese. That's something I always have. It's actually so delicious. So if you want to try that out, then go ahead, find a turkey burger recipe online. It's pretty simple. It's just like eggs, breadcrumbs, onions, and then the ground turkey. And this thing's pretty much done. I may have mangled this when I tried to flip it. Doesn't really matter though. nothing with eggs and meat and cheese is complete without ketchup. So for all y'all ketchup haters out there, So like I said, I want a desk in the den that I can just throw in there to work on and stuff. And scrolling through everything, it's a little more expensive than what I wanted. I could buy used. I might just end up going used just because of the fact that I don't want to spend a minimum of $160 on a desk. Okay, so I've got the shirts laid out for you guys just to show you the two colors. If you follow us on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen pictures posted of these already. So there's the black with white logo, and then the blue with the dark gray logos. The sizing goes by weight of the plate. We have 10 pound, 25, 35, and 45 pound for extra large. Both of these shirts are my personal shirts, so they have been washed and worn multiple times. I wear them pretty much every chance I can get. It's a 95 cotton and 5% spandex blend. It's about 160 grams per square meter, and it's very light, soft to the touch, and honestly just feels awesome. I'm gonna jump into these shirts real quick and I'll show you guys how they fit and how they look. So this is our blue shirt. I'm wearing the extra large like I stated before. I'm just gonna do a quick spin around to show you guys the fit. Don't mind the awesome posing. So with this shirt, the light blue is very, very good for showing off muscle tone. It portrays every muscle really well with the shadowing that it gives. So in really good lighting, you'll see the difference in back and chest muscle compared to the black shirt. This is a very bright color, and I know a lot of people aren't into brights, but the more people see it around, the more it grows on them, I guess you could say, and the more they want to wear it and buy it. Moving on to the fit, we have the tapered waist that goes back out to a wider fit at the bottom, a scoop bottom with the side slit. I believe it's about 6 centimeters, so nothing too big, but it's comfortable and it keeps the shirt from wanting to pull up on you, which brings me to my next point. It's a longer fitting shirt. I'm 6'2", 240 pounds, and this shirt reaches down just almost to the bottom of my butt. So that gives you an idea of the length of them. Our sizing chart is on the website, and you will be able to measure that out. My arms measure at about 17.5 inches, non-flexed, so as you can see, it's a nice fit to the arms, but it's nothing too constricting and it's not uncomfortable whatsoever, just due to the fact that this fabric is super stretchy, super thin, and like I said, very soft to the touch. My idea behind the gray on the blue is that it wasn't too in your face when you were wearing it. You would get the blue, but it wasn't too harsh on the eyes going with a white or a black logo. It pops nicely, but not too much. You can see the text on the back, depending on the lighting, it might be there, it might not be. That's about it for the blue shirt. I'm gonna go into the black shirt next and show you guys the difference in how it shadows and how the black might be a bit of a sleeker, kind of classier look. So, black shirt, very easy to match with anything. Obviously black is an easygoing color. White logo, white text, exact same fit, and like I said before, very hard to see any sort of muscle definition. So for anybody who's worried about that sort of thing, I do recommend the blue. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for tagging along in the vlog with me, and I hope that this portion of the video itself has given a little clarity on the fit and feel of our products. Like I said, we will be releasing more stuff soon, so keep an eye out for that. And I'll catch you guys in the next update video. So before I end this video really quick, I just want to give a huge shout out to Kaylee. I know you guys might have seen in the other video that she slaves away on every single shirt, sewing on these little hem tags. I love these things. It adds a little bit of a personal touch to the shirt. It says "Stay Driven" on the back. I don't know how many people know that or how many people that have a shirt have actually seen that, but it is there. So enough of me rambling on. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.